Today is September 4th, and it's his first time eating a Swiss roll, chocolate and marshmallow, and he killed it. Actually, it kind of made a mess, but he killed it. Yay! Wait till we see what's inside those hands. Where's your hand? Oh, yeah. Kind of looks like his first birthday. Nunu, what you got? What you got? You saying hi to Dada? He's waving. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm? Why you gotta ruin everything?
I gotta ruin everything?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, dude, it is.